Welcome all. Myself K. Sirisha, working as assistant professor in mechanical department in MBR College of Engineering and Technology. Today, we are discussing about the topic of clashes inequality. So, in this clashes inequality, first of all, what is clashes state inequalities? So here we consider a reversible cycle. So what is cycle? When we start with one point, so A point, and end with B point. So A to B is one line. At the same way, I will come again to B to A. So A to B and B to A. So my starting point and my ending point is same. So whenever the starting point and ending point is same, that we called as a cycle. Here here when I consider property like a and another point like a b, so A to B is one point, B to A is another line. Here A is equal to B. Here if A minus B is equal to 0, when we consider A is equal to B, what will happen? A minus A is equal to 0. Our our cycle would become 0. So at the same way, since the cyclic integral is equal to 0, so when the properties like volume, pressure, temperature, so here we consider in a cycle, so those are all equal to 0 when it is a cycle. So if our cycle is made up of reversible process, so here we have reversible process, irreversible process. So what is reversible process? What is irreversible process? So reversible process is nothing but there is no losses. So in our reversible process, our efficiency is nearly equal to 100% of efficiency, like 99.9. Actually, in our real process, it is not possible. Okay, right? But in our irreversible process, we are having some type of losses like frictional losses, blow down losses, or heat losses, pumping losses. Those are the losses we have get in irreversible process. So because of these losses, our efficiency always less than the reversible process. It is not greater than the reversible process. It is always less than the reversible process. Why? Because in reversible process we have no any losses. In our irreversible process we are getting some losses. So that is the reason we are getting an efficiency is always less than reversible process. In our clashes inequality, so in clashes inequality we consider first a reversible process. So in our reversible process we consider a cyclic integral is equal to 0, like A to B or B to A. So in our reversible process, we are going to calculate the net work and cycle efficiency for this cycle. So what is work done net? So what the supply amount of heat minus out of the heat. So this is the problem in previous problem. So okay, what is Clausius inequality? dq by t less than or equal to 0. That is our Clausius inequality. By taking upon this Clausius inequality, we done some problems in the previous class. So, so this is the Clausius inequality, and now we are come with the entropy. So, what is entropy? Entropy is nothing but a new property. It is coming from a Clausius inequality, coming from the process, like a Clausius inequalities. So, what is that? Let us take another look at the quantity, like a cyclic integral q net by t less than or equal to 0. So our definition of property depend upon the Clausius inequality. So in our Clausius inequality, we get a new property called a entropy. So by depending upon the Clausius inequality, we are getting a new property called entropy. Okay, what is entropy? Now we are going to a new topic discuss, like what is entropy. So this is formula we are taken from Clausius inequality, cyclic integral of del q net by by t less than or equal to 0. If no irreversibilities occur within the system as well as the reversible cyclic device, then the cycle undergone by the combined system will be internally reversible. As such, it can be reversed. In the reversed cycle case, all the quantities will have the same magnitude but the opposite direction, opposite sign. Therefore, the work WC, which could not be a positive quantity in the regular case, cannot be a negative quantity in the reverse case. Then it follows. Actually, what is the meaning of that? Actually, it is we in previous section in previous class in the clashes inequality we have taken two combined forms. Like one is reversible cycle process plus irreversible cyclic process. If in this entropy case will take consider both be taken in the form of reversible process, like both are reversible process. Here in our reversible process all quantities have the like if a is a magnitude but in opposite sign, what it happens, like a minus b is equal to 0. If a is equal to b, what it happens is getting 0 because of a, and magnitude is same but opposite sign we will get. If a is positive, b is negative, what it happens if a is equal to b, our cyclic integral will be 0. So that is the meaning of like that. So here what we have, the quantities will have the same magnitude but opposite sign. Therefore the work done WC, which could not be a positive quantity in regular case or cannot be a negative quantity in the reversed case, so then it follows. So that what is the meaning of it, cannot be a positive quantity or negative quantity. So our work done net is equal to 0, it cannot be a positive quantity or negative. So here what we observe that in reversible process our work done net get absolutely equal to 0. Okay, absolutely equal to 0, not it will not get the 0, not it will not get the positive value or negative value. Remember one thing, our reversible cycle the work done is absolutely is equal to 0, not it will not get the positive quantity, not get the negative quantity, always it is equal to 0 because of it is having the same magnitude but opposite direction, opposite sign. So when it is having the same magnitude opposite sign will get work done is equal to 0, not it get the negative value and positive value. Okay, here we can observe that. So the cyclic integral, because of in entropy case we are taking a combined cycle, but next cycle actually first cycle is also reversible, second cycle is also reversible. So when we get actually 1 2 3 4 and so on, what do you take, the whole numbers we will consider in the form of integral. Here also we will take in the form of cyclic integral. So that is in the form of cyclic integral is nothing but cyclic integral of q net by t is equal to 0. That is reversible process we will take in the form of internal reversible process. For internal reversible cycles, thus we conclude that equality in the clashes inequality hold for totally just internally cases. Actually, we combine, we have internal and irreversible, but in this case we will take only internal reversible process, and inequality for the or inequality also we will take in the form of reversible. What it happens here, so to develop relation for the definition of entropy, let us examine this last question more closely. Here we have a quantity whose cyclic integral is 0. Let us think for a moment what kind of quantities it have with this characteristic. We know that the cyclic integral or work is not be 0. It is a good thing that is not, otherwise heat engines that work on the cycle such as steam power plants would produce 0 net work. Now consider the volume. Actually work done actually like the process of steam power plants, so that is the cases not exactly is equal to 0. Okay, because of at least we have some amount of work by doing. But when we take a piston cylinder device, undergoes a cycle. Here this is a piston cylinder, actually initial in the case of 1 meter cube. When it is expansion takes taken place, our cylinder occupies 3 meter cube volume, and next time when we compress it the piston toward in the cylinder, again it replaces its position, first position, that is like 1 meter cube. What it happens, our initial state and final state, it would zero, would same. Like, what is that cycle? So one, two, here one, two, three process. We will take the three process, and we will take in the form of cyclic integral of v is equal to 0. So what cyclic integral of v is equal to 0. So if v2 minus v1 is equal to 0, so our initial volume and final volume is 0. v1 equal to v2. What will happen? Our cyclic integral of dv is equal to 0. Actually, in the cases of steam power plant, we are exactly our work are not equal to 0. But in the cases of piston cylinder, take a cycle. Our properties like volume, pressure, temperatures, on different types of properties we have. So that properties we are getting is equal to 0. We see that cyclic integral of a property is 0. So what are the properties in cyclic? That is equal to 0. A quantity whose cyclic integral is 0 depends on the state and not on the process path. Here we have what is state and what is process, already we discussed in the previous classes. So when you take a cycle, when you take a process 1 to 2, 1 to 2, so what is the starting point, what is the starting point 1, and what is the ending point of 2? That points we called as point functions. In between the number of states we come and take in like a form of curve. That curve we called as a process. So process that we called as a path. So our property in our cyclic property is 0. It depends only on the state and not it depends upon the path. Okay, so that is why we called as a property. So what is the state points? So that is we called as a property. So that thus it is a property. Therefore, the cyclic integral q dot q net by t internal reversible must be a property. Okay, and next point. So the in class consider the cycle shown below composed two reversible process, that is 1a2 is one reversible process and 2b1 is another reversible process. Here our combined cycle, so those two cycles we considered in the form of reversible process only. So here along path A this is one internal reversible process, along path B we called as another internal reversible process. So we combined, so apply Clashes inequality for the cycle made to internally reversible process. So both we combine that. So cyclic integral of q dot q net by t is equal to 0. So here this is like that. This is like that. Okay. So here already we know that. Uh, so here, so this is one along path A and this is along path B. So since the quantity del q net by t internal reversible is independent of the path, so depend upon the process state and independent upon the path and must be a property. We call this property of the entropy as S. So the entropy change occurring during a process. Actually, when the cycle changes one a two, this is an one process, and two b1 is another process. So those completely process we called as a cycle. So when the state changes one a two to two b1, so here also the entropy changes. So when the entropy changes, so del q by net, the total del q by net we called, when the process changes our entropy also changes. So here our del q net 1 to 2 q net by t we called as s2 minus s1. Okay, here 1 to 2. So whenever the temperature heat changes with respect to temperature along path A, so that 1 to 2 process, and whenever the process changes, here also entropy changes. So s2 minus s1 we called in the right in the form of del q net by t. So s2 minus s1 is equal to 1 to 2 del q net by t. Okay, and here this is a cycle 1a2 and 2b1. So here we called as it is a cycle. So here I will consider in the like a one in a previous topic I will discuss 1a2 is a reversible cycle and 2b1 is also a reversible process. So two process we will get s2 minus s1 is equal to s2 minus s1 is equal to cyclic integral of 1 to 2 q naught by t is internal reversible process. At the same thing here, I will just replace. I will just replace here our 1a2 is reversible or irreversible, but I will consider here 1a2 is reversible and 2b1 is irreversible processor. Sorry, here our 1a2 is irreversible processor. irreversible process, and 2p1 is a irreversible process. What do we know that 122 q dot net? Okay, what do you know that q dot net? Our previous. So what do we know that 1 to 2? So 1 to 2 s2 minus s1 is equal to 1 to 2 del q net by t is equal to s2. So we just replace 1 to 2 process with s2 minus s1 plus 2 to 1 to 2. Here he is wrong. Okay, I'm sorry. Here one a2 we considered as internal irreversible process, and 2b1 considered as reversible process. So 1 to 2 is irreversible and 2 to 1 is reversible. So here what we how can we write in the form of reversible process? Actually, in the previous case for reversible process, here 1 to 2 is reversible, 1 to 2 is reversible. Here we can observe 1 to 2 is equal to 2 to 1. 1 to 2 is equal to 1 to 2 because of both are same. 1 to 2 is equal to 2 to 1 because of both are irreversible both are reversible process. Okay, here 1 to 2, this is also 2 to 1 here because of both are reversible process. 1 to 2 del q net by t is equal to 2 to 1. This is not 1 to 2, 2 to 1. Del q net by t is reversible because of two both are same process, reversible and reversible. Here 1a2 is reversible and 2b1 is 1a2 is irreversible and 2b1 is reversible. So when it is a reversible process, in our reversible process just replace change the entropy. When it is a reversible process, observe one thing: when it is a reversible process, it is a reversible process we call it as internal reversible. When our reversible process, we just replace the change of entropy. So 1 to 2 del q net by t plus change of entropy is n1 and s minus 1. So when it is changes, just takes in the form of less than or equal. So how when it is taken from, it is taken from clashes inequality. When the clashes inequality, a cycle composed of reversible and irreversible. 1a2 is irreversible, 2b1 is reversible. So when it is reversible process, we just replace with the change of entropy s1 minus s2 less than or equal to 2. So here s2 minus s1 is greater than, because of here s1 minus s2 and just s2 minus s1 greater than or equal to 1 to 2 del q net by t. So our ds, so s2 minus s1 we will replace in the form of ds greater than or equal to del q net by t. So if it is 0, holds for the internal reversible process. If it is greater than, holds less than, nothing but greater than or equal to is nothing. One is greater than from, another is equal to from. When will we get a equal to from, that will called as process as internal reversible process. When we have the greater than process, and we will call it as a irreversible process. So consider the effect of heat transfer and entropy for internal reversible case. So for if it is internal reversible case, how can we write this form? ds is equal to del q net by t. For if temperature is 1, so if del q net is greater than 0, ds, if del q net is greater than 0, ds is greater than 0. It is equal to 0, ds is equal to 0. If it is less than 0, ds is less than 0. Okay, so here if adiabatic process, there is no heat transfer to and from the system, so del q net is equal to 0. What it happens? So ds is equal to 0, so s2 is equal to s1. So the reversible adiabatic process is called as a isentropic process. So this is a very important point we can remember. So if entropy change is caused, how the entropy change is caused? So there are two ways when the entropy change is caused. So one is heat transfer and another one is irreversibilities. So heat transfer to a system increases, so the entropy also increases. If heat transfer from a system decreases, entropy decreases. So the system totally depends upon the heat transfer. If heat transfer increases, entropy increases. If heat transfer decreases, entropy decreases. At the same way, if irreversibility also increases the entropy, there are the two ways to change. There are the two ways to change the entropy. So that is heat transfer and another one is irreversibility. If The heat transfer increases, entropy increases, heat transfer decreases, entropy decreases. At the same way, the another one is irreversibilities. If the irreversibilities increases, the entropy increases. So in fact, a process in which the heat transfer is out of the system may be so irreversible that actual entropy changes positive. So out of the heat transfer, the entropy change is positive. Okay, friction is one of the irreversibility in a system. So what are the different process for irreversibility? So one of the process is friction. The entropy change during a process by integrating the ds equation over the process. So this is like that. What is our system? S2 minus S1. So that S2 minus S1 we called as del S system greater than or equal to 1 to 2 q del q net by t. So here if our greater than, if our greater than type, just remove that greater than we will remove that, take in the form of 1 to 2 del q by net, that we will remove the greater than, just add the as entropy generation. Our entropy generation is zero for a reversible process. Okay, reversible process. So just greater than symbol, remove that, just add that as entropy generation. So if entropy generation is zero, that is nothing but S2 minus S1 is equal to 1 to 2 del q net by t. So that is nothing but a reversible process. So this is our today's topic, and the next class we will start another topic. Thank you, students.